Reactor is a script which gives you the access to a huge variety of scripts and plugins all in one place. So I'm going to tell you about the most useful Reactor plugins that you should start using right now. But before that, let's see how to install Reactor. Come to this page, link in the description, and hit download. Then you will get this reactor installer.lua file. Just drag and drop this file into Fusion and then click install and launch. And it will start the installation process. Now just wait until the installation finishes. Once it's done, go to Workspace, Scripts, Reactor, and then open Reactor. And now we can start installing the plugins. Now to install a plugin, you can just check this box or you can select it and hit install from here. In this box, you also get some information about the plugin. So the first plugin I would recommend is Resolve Essentials. If you have seen my videos, you might have noticed how quickly I add different nodes just like this. So I've been using this script which allows you to bind different nodes with your keyboard. So if I press X, it will give me a transform node, and if I press B, it will give me a blur node. It's because I have assigned these keys to these key bindings. So to assign these key bindings, go to Workspace, Scripts, and then Resolve Essentials, then Fusion Hotkey Manager. Now go to the Views and then Flow. So this area where you keep your nodes is called Flow. So inside this flow, you can see I already have assigned some hotkeys. We can add a new one, just click on New. Then here you can press any key to assign that key. Let's press J, and sometimes it doesn't register once, so you might have to click multiple times. So after you do that, then you can go to Tools, and from here you can assign any node, or from Action you can assign any script. So let's assign something. So let's go to Blur. So let's assign this directional blur to this J key. Hit OK. Then hit OK here, and if I now press J, it will give me a directional blur. Then the next plugin is VectorSnapshot. So with this plugin, what you can do is you can make any black and white image into a vector SVG file. So for example, let's take a text note. So click on this viewer icon and make sure you are viewing it in the first viewer. Then press Ctrl Shift Space, and here search vector snap, and you will see two options. Sometimes the first one doesn't work, so I go with the second one. Hit enter, and it will turn the text file into a SVG file. So let's copy this path, and now from Fusion, import SVG, and here just paste the path and click on this SVG file. Any aspect ratio will do, and now we can delete this text node. So now if you double click and open it, you can see the text is now made with polygon path. So now you can customize these text, and from here you can also change the color, just like that. And the final plugin is Real Shadow. So this is a plugin that I have been looking for. It's available in After Effects, but now it's available in Fusion. So again, if I take a text note, now if we look for real shadows and connect it, and here you can see this control. So let's view our media out. So let's increase the size of the text. Now if we select the real shadow, we will be able to move this shadow just like that. And the most interesting part is if we go to the inspector and change the real shadow to long shadow, you will get a long shadow, which you might have seen in the After Effects, but now you can do it in Fusion as well. So these were some plugins that I think everyone should have. And if you have some of your favorite plugin, comment down in the below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.